360都有。
Memory.
One TV.
No?
No.
Sir, no?
Your
250. 256. Yeah.
How much? 256? Price,
Take. Wait.
One three
135. Thank you. 1,000 pounds. Too much.
135 means
In Rubaiyat is like 1,350. Too much, I believe, right?
that's what I'm saying. The prices are almost same.
But how we have these products in our countries cheaper, however they manufactured here? This is not logic.
Prices are almost same. That's what I'm saying.
But maybe there is something we can do to push on the low price.
64, 256.
No. Hello.
The last
1
content-
TB
有
TB
1 TB，
memory.
是1 TB，不是
Yes,
哦
1
1
TB.
TB。
It's not connected.
How much?
我和北京那个在娱乐圈看过
1 TB，
How much? 3,000. How much? Take.
你要吃苹果
Type-C, yes.
Type C， 这啥用？
40.
Computer，
Yeah.
Computer，
Computer, yes. Just check. I'm checking the price in Egypt. I need one just size. Yeah, very compact. $10